Hello, guys. I feel like I have so much on my mind right now, and everything is happening at once. I'm about to leave for my psychiatry clinical rotation, and it's out of town, so that already comes with a lot of emotions, a lot of preparations, and honestly, a bit of overwhelm. But at the same time, I feel like this is the perfect moment for a reset. If you have watched my previous videos, you know I am on a journey of upgrading my wardrobe and becoming more intentional with how I present myself. So, in today's video, after decluttering, I'm not just packing, I'm also creating a wardrobe upgrade checklist and a vision board. For my vision board, I'm focusing on the kind of woman I want to become, how I want to look and feel every day, the lifestyle I'm working towards. Nothing chaotic, just aligned. I think sometimes we wait for life to be perfect before we upgrade ourselves. But I'm starting to understand you can be in the middle of uncertainty and still decide to evolve. So let's get into the vlog where I'll be directing you guys to my process of packing for the clinical rotations, as well as me creating my wardrobe upgrade checklist and a vision board. So let's get started. Now here I have tried to set my clothes as how I explained in the previous video. So I grouped my clothes in 3 categories. The first one were the clothes that I am going to keep. The second group were the maybes, and the maybes are the clothes that I'm not sure if they align with my current vision, but I can see if they will work out, so they stay in the maybe vision. And the last group were the clothes that I have to let go. So here in this group here is the clothes that they will be going, and here I have my maybe clothes. So this one here are in a I'm not sure if they match my current vision, but they will be reconsidered. So now that I have already decided which clothes sit in which category, I will just put the ones that I am getting rid of, I'll put them in a separate bag. So this is where the clothes I'm getting rid of will be staying. Now that I am done with the decluttering process, I'll be packing my stuffs for the clinical rotations. It's a very tiresome process because I need to think all the necessary things I will need while I'm away. So the place where we're going to is said to be very windy and cold, especially in June and July, and for that reason I'll make sure that I carry as many sweaters, jackets as I can. Okay, so now I am done with my clothes. I've tried picking out as much as I could. So right now I'm just going to select my hijabs and some lounge dresses that I'll be able to put while I'm not at the clinical rotations. I will have to get my clinical rotation tools, like there's the stethoscope, the BP machine and everything. I don't know if I'm going to use them because I've never been to a psychiatric ward and I don't know how everything runs, but it's not bad having things in advance just in case. We'll take some of my abayas. I don't think I don't think if I'll be able to wear them, because one thing I've learned is that long flowy clothes are not ideal for hospital settings. So I will take this one. And this one. Okay, now that I am done with setting up and packing my stuff for the trip, I will just move on into creating that wardrobe upgrade checklist. Okay, so this here is my checklist. So I created the list, as I was saying. It is just in this one paper over here. And so in my capsule wardrobe list, I just made sure that I focused on quality pieces, and these pieces have to be timeless. This here is my wardrobe upgrade list. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video.